Hey everybody, Jeff here with Who Shot Jesus Christ. Gorby and I are trying to do everything we can to raise money for this film. So we're going door to door to our fellow Los Angelans to try to raise some money. Oh, I hope I'm not disturbing you. Do you believe in Jesus Christ? I'm with the film school here. Any contribution, large or small, would be a huge help to us. Whatever's in your sock drawer or anything.
Yeah, just one second, okay?
Okay, yeah, thank you. I don't think he's coming back. Hi.
Hi, good morning.
Good
How
morning.
can I help
Hope
you?
I'm not bothering you.
You're fine.
I was wondering if you might be interested in donating to
Ah, je suis désolée, je parle pas anglais, je suis française, mais bonne journée, bonne chance avec ton
Just heard you
projet.
speak. Nobody said it was going to be easy. We knew it wasn't going to be easy going in. But you know what? You got to have faith. You got to have faith in yourself. I have faith in my partner, my team. And honestly, I have faith in the big man upstairs. Carpe Jesus. Seize the Jesus.